Oh, hey, how are you doing? So I'm still in Iceland and I wanted to show you what a garden in Iceland can look like, because Iceland has probably one of the most difficult and harshest environments for plants. It's extremely windy, it can be very cold, a lot of rain, even in the summer, and not a lot of light, especially in the winter months, a lot of light during the summer months. So what kind of garden can you have in this kind of environment? And so I'm at my parents-in-law's place and I want to show you what a beautiful garden they have. And yeah, let's swing around and you can already get a first impression of their garden, and it's quite beautiful, isn't it? So let's look at some of the details of the garden. So as you can expect, there are a lot of shrubs and trees that can sustain these difficult weather conditions. So you have these beautiful green shrubs down here. And then this is a very common plant in Iceland. You can see it wherever you go. When you drive on the motorway and in suburbs, yeah, you see these beautiful plants. So that's also a very nice tree or shrub, yeah. And yes, here's another shrub with some berries. Yeah, and I think this is the first example of a big boulder. So I think Iceland is full of big rocks, and why not place them in your garden? And yeah, so this is one of them. It's slightly hidden behind this shrub, which makes it look much more natural. And then here a pop of color. I think it looks like a smoke bush. So very beautiful purple, and but a few spikes as well. Yeah. So I really like this pop of color. So it's quite green heavy, but then it really pops, and I think it goes quite well together with the plant there at the beginning on the left with these light purple flowers. Then another bush that you can see again throughout Iceland, very common, so it seems to be quite happy in the Icelandic environment. So very cute leaves, looks very healthy. And then yeah, these white blooms, a bunch of white blooms. And I think this down here is probably one of my favorite plants in this garden. I like how low growing it is, and that it goes over onto the decking, and I really enjoyed it. It's just lovely to touch. Yeah. It's a great texture and just extremely beautiful. And again, here it climbs on the two boulders, so that's great to see. So it's easy, this bush from down there repeated, and then another big boulder, very good, really enjoy that. And you look what they did here. So there's this boulder here, and they cut the decking in such a way that the boulder fits in perfectly. Another bush here with yellow blooms, quite subtle. Yeah. Ooh. This, I also love what it looks like together with this, with the boulder. Again, a fantastic texture, and I mean, it looks like a plant made for Iceland, really difficult weather conditions, but this is probably tough as hell, and great plant to have in an Icelandic garden. Yes. So then we have, I feel I've seen this tree in Kópavogur, so in the capital region, quite a lot. Quite a nice accent at the end of the garden. And then yeah, finally we can see some repeats of from this side. So some boulders, then this bush, the smoke bush. Yeah. And again, my favorite. Oh, this one is slightly not as low hanging. Oh, and you can see. Oh, look at this. Cones. Beautiful cones, and I think but I think there are new cones coming, growing here. And can you imagine, even in Iceland you can try to grow vegetables outside. So they have this vegetable box. Let me see if I can open it. Oh, and they have some lettuce. Some lettuce, and I mean even the lettuce looks quite attractive. It's actually warm in here, yeah. And is this spinach? Spinach, yeah. Anyway, so this is like a small tour of what an Icelandic garden can look like. In the next video, I will show you a little bit of maintenance, and I will plant a few plants to kind of make this garden hopefully even more beautiful than it already is. Thank you very much. Bye bye.